aspects in so many levels. I thank the Lord for giving me the opportunity to journey with Pastor Hurley for so many years on the side of heaven. We know different facets of Pastor Hurley. We call him bishop, influencer, teacher. A man of God who has influenced thousands of lives. But to the Lord Jesus, our warrior, we consider him our warrior, is a child. Let me offer this song to him tonight.
They don't know who picks me up when no one is around. I drop my sword, look up for his to sleep inside this heart. The Lord needs a child. Need a quiet place to rest. People say that I'm amazing, never face a dream, but they don't see the enemy, the lady at the sea. They don't know.